Hey there, YouTube. I'm finally back with another hair how-to, and this is a finger wave on natural hair. I've got a hot date tonight. She actually did not bail on me, so I had to bring it. So let's get into it. So I've been growing my hair out for over a month. I usually wear it pretty low, like a 1B is where I've been wearing it. So this is a little over a month's worth of hair growth. I'm growing my hair out in an attempt to get braids. I have no idea what my hair texture is, but as you can see, it's pretty curly. I've been using this foam brush thingamabob. So yeah, let's get into these finger waves. I'm gonna cover my head in mousse. Any brand works. This is just what I have on hand. Next, I'm gonna cover my entire head with some Eco Styling Gel. And I just use like a big heaping handful and just slather it on. Then I'm going to part my hair. I've been parting it right here. This is like where I usually put my part when I get my hair cut, because my hair is a little thin here. So just, oh, looks nicer there. So you're just gonna comb through and try to get your hair as slicked down as possible. Oh, this is the hard part. If there's any spots of your hair that are dry, you definitely wanna make sure that you put the mousse on there. I always get the back of my neck, I feel like, is where I always struggle. Oh, this part's brutal. Now here comes the fun part, but also the hardest part, is the waves. So the wave shape is like down and back, down and back. It's like swoop, swoop, doop, like that. So the first thing we're gonna do is slick this towards the front. As you can see, like truly not that much hair. And this is gonna be like a little bang. You know she loves a bang. Some things never change. And I'm gonna use my finger as a guide. Finger waves, it's right there in the name. And I'm gonna use my finger to go around to make like that first wave. And I'm gonna push the hair back. See that? And then I'm gonna swoop forward. Oh, there we go, first wave. Put a finger down for this next one. So this one came forward, and now we're gonna go back. Put a finger down if you're making finger waves. Pro tip, don't do this when you have somewhere to be, because you will fuck it up. Back, and now this one's gonna come forward. I only do the front of my head because it just makes my life easier. If you're real fancy, you can do the back of your head, but I'm not real fancy. What I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna come forward, I'm just gonna go back on this part. Because around my ear is where I like usually fuck things up. Yeah. What I like to do here is I try to do a little curl. Again, this is where I usually mess things up, so I try to really hard to make sure that I get all of this hair slicked down. Okay, I'm okay with that. I don't know why this part looks fucking weird. Like, what is going on with my hair here? Okay, so these two go back, back, and then this one comes forward and then back. I mean, they're not perfect, but like, okay, let me do the other side and see how I feel. Mother trucker. Oh, you know what I did on this side last time is I went back on both of them. All right, you see how like the waves are all sticking up? Now is when we need to lay it down. Now I'm just gonna put this do-rag on. Okay, yes. In the past, I've put down those like little like paper strips, but they always break, so I just stopped using them. All right, you really want to get this nice and smooth, because this is what's gonna make the waves lay down. You can sit it in the dryer, but I'm just gonna sleep in this because overnight tends to be best for me. And fingers crossed it comes out cute. Good morning, I'm back. I'm ready to take this bad boy off. You can't, wait. Lex. He's like, bitch, take me outside. You can wait. Oh. This is the part that's hard because it's like, you don't want to pull too hard. All right, not too bad. There we go. There's a few little spots sticking up, so I'll put a little bit of gel and then like, look right here. This is like not laid at all, okay. Like, oh, look at that little curl. No curl here. Okay, this is good. Just, I need a little gel here and then I'm good to go. All right, there you have it. Hair done, makeup done, outfit on. And now it's time to go. Wish me luck.